Did you know that these historical YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos are ranking in millions of views? And the best part is they are not hard to make. Some YouTube channels have skyrocketed from 0 to 200,000 subscribers in just 5 months because these videos are super engaging to watch. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to create these viral historical videos. And by the end of this, you will have all the tools and knowledge to start pulling in views across all social media platforms. Before we continue, please like this video. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Let's get started to make a historical short video. To make historical shorts video, the first step is to choose a historical fact. So first you need to select the topic of fact that you're going to make a video on. If you've already chosen a topic, that's great. But if you haven't, there's an incredible AI tool that will help you give hidden facts about any topic you want. Just click the link in the description and it will take you to gravity.com. Click on social media tools and then hidden facts finder. Write here the name of the topic for which you want to find facts. Here write how many facts do you want. I write 10. Click on the create content button. You can see that 10 facts topics have been written. Copy the topic that you like. Search here for a script for historical facts. And paste it here. Click on create content. You can see that the script for this topic has been written here. You can see that it has also provided us with image suggestions that we can use for our videos. Copy this script. Once we have got the script, let's get the voiceover. So let's go to this website to generate the voice. You can check the link in the description. First of all, select a voice model which you like. I am selecting this one.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
And then paste script here. Click on generate button.
Alexander was a student of Aristotle, one of the great...
Our voice has been generated. Click on the download button to download it. Now in the next step, we will generate images according to our voice. To generate an images, go to this website. You can check the link in the description. As you know, Gravity Write also suggests images according to the script, so copy this text and paste it here. Select this ratio and click on the generate button. After some process, it will generate 4 versions of images. Select the one you like the most from them and download it from here. By using this website, you can generate all the images by following the same process. We have written the script, generated the voice for that script, and also generated images according to that script. Now in the next step, we will use them to edit the video. To edit the video, I will use CapCut. First of all, import all the images and voice. And in first step, drag voice. Let's increase the size of timeline. And then add image according to voice. Adjust the image length accordingly. From here, you can change the video size and select this size. And then adjust the size of image according to the canvas size. Select image and click on animation. Click on this. Here many animations have been provided. You can apply animations according to your image. I am selecting this one for this image. Our first image is ready. Let's add second image. And adjust it according to voice. Click on animation. And add animation, which one you like. Now you can see our 2 images is ready now. In this way, you will set all remaining images, and now I will speed up the video so that you can save time. So now all the images are set according to voice. Click on adjustment. Preset, add this one, and set it into all the timeline. Here you can adjust the settings according to your images. Let's increase the vintage a little bit. And now click on text. Auto caption. Select language. I am selecting English. Click on create button. It will create caption of your voice. Here you can select any style of your caption as you like. I am selecting this one. Adjust the size of caption. As you can see, caption is ready. To make this video more engaging, I have downloaded the background music. You can check link in the description to find background music. Add it and adjust it according to the timeline. And decrease the volume so our voice not disturbed. You can add more effects to further enhance the video's appearance. I'm going to add fire effect. Add it to the timeline. And then adjust it. Then change the blend mode to screen. And then copy this and adjust it to all the timeline. Now our short video is ready. Here is the final result.
Alexander was a student of Aristotle, one of the greatest philosophers of all time. Imagine being mentored by one of history's most brilliant minds. Aristotle's teachings on ethics, politics, and philosophy shaped Alexander's future conquests. This unique mentorship laid the foundation for the legendary leader Alexander would become. From classroom discussions to empire-building strategies, this bond changed the course of history. Witness the power of knowledge shaping the destinies of legends. Engage with history today.
You can now upload this to your YouTube channel and see the audience's reaction. This is how you can create a viral historical video using AI. I've given the links to all the websites in the description below, so you can just go ahead and start creating your videos. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.